Some people spend years searching for clarity. More books, more podcasts, more videos, more frameworks, always hoping the next piece of information will finally make things clear. But after a certain point, something changes. The input stops helping. Not because information is bad, because endless input slowly starts replacing contact with yourself. Every perspective adds another layer, another opinion, another interpretation. And eventually, your internal signal becomes harder to hear underneath all the noise, which creates a strange experience. You keep searching for answers externally, while quietly avoiding contact with what already feels obvious internally. Because information can feel productive. It feels like movement. It feels responsible. But sometimes, it becomes a way to postpone direct contact with reality. Real clarity is often much quieter than people expect. Not another breakthrough, not another explanation. Just less noise between you and something you already knew. You may not need more information. You may need enough silence to finally hear what has been underneath all along. If this pattern feels familiar, you can explore it further through Clearfit.